A flying robot the size of a mosquito, yes, really, has just been unveiled by China, and it's turning heads worldwide. Measuring just zero point 0.6 centimeters, this insect-like drone is packed with advanced tech designed for stealth and surveillance. It's small enough to vanish in plain sight, but powerful enough to raise serious global concerns. So how does it work, and what does it mean for the future of privacy and tech? It might look like a bug, but this zero point 0.6 centimeter flying robot is one of the smallest functioning drones ever made. Unveiled on China's military TV channel CCTV-7, the device was developed by the National University of Defense Technology, NUDT. Designed to mimic the look and movement of a mosquito, this microdrone is a fusion of biomimicry and cutting-edge tech. Its compact structure hides incredible complexity. Despite being smaller than your fingernail, it contains a power source, sensors, flight controls, and communication systems, all integrated into a lifelike insect design. It's so stealthy, it can blend into natural environments, fly almost silently, and go completely unnoticed. Even more impressive is that a four-winged version of the drone can reportedly be operated via smartphone. It's not just a concept. This device was physically demonstrated, proving that it functions in the real world, not just in labs. China's mosquito drone is part of a broader research initiative into bio-inspired robotics, placing it alongside other global micro-UAVs like Norway's Black Hornet and Harvard's Robo-Bee. Yet, few have reached this level of realism, concealment, and miniaturization, making it a standout in the race for next-gen surveillance technology.